Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm going to share a special crispy potato rolls recipe. These rolls are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and absolutely delicious. They're perfect for tea time, school tiffin boxes, evening snacks, or even serving to your guests. Best of all, they're easy to make at home. So let's get started. First, prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, add 100 grams all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Mix everything well with a spatula. Gradually add water and knead into a soft dough. Apply a little oil on top, cover it, and let it rest for about 20 minutes or until it doubles in size. After 20 minutes, transfer the dough to your work surface. Roll it into a long log and cut it into small equal pieces. Shape each piece into a ball then flatten it into a thin circle using a rolling pin. Place a small bowl in the center as shown. Now, let's prepare the potato filling. Take 3 boiled and peeled potatoes and mash them well. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons cornflour. Mix everything until well combined. Spread the potato mixture evenly around the dough, then carefully remove the bowl from the center. Cut the dough into triangle-shaped slices, just like this. Now roll each triangle tightly to form beautiful potato rolls. Wow, they already look amazing. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough and arrange all the rolls on a tray. Next, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the potato rolls and deep fry them over medium heat until they become golden brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil and place them on a serving tray. Serve these delicious crispy potato rolls with tomato ketchup or green chutney. If you haven't watched my homemade green chutney recipe yet, you'll find the link in the description below. And that's it. Our crispy, golden, and delicious potato rolls are ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.